Understanding the phrase, report the theft. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we'll be diving into a common but important phrase, report the theft. This phrase is frequently used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage is essential for both everyday English and more formal situations. Let's dissect the phrase, report the theft. The word, report, is a verb that means to give a description or information about something, especially something that has happened recently. The word, theft, is a noun, referring to the action or crime of stealing. So, when combined, report the theft means to inform someone, usually the authorities, about an incident where something was stolen. This phrase is most commonly used in legal and official contexts. For example, if someone steals your wallet, you should report the theft to the police. In a company, if you notice something missing, you might report the theft to your manager or security. It's important to know that this phrase implies a formal action, often involving law enforcement or an official authority. To help you better understand, let's look at a few sentences. 1. After realizing her car was missing, she went to report the theft to the local police. 2. The store manager had to report the theft of merchandise to the police. These examples show the phrase in action, demonstrating how it can be used in real-life situations. Understanding synonyms can be helpful. Some synonyms for report the theft include notify the police about the theft, inform authorities of stealing, make a theft complaint. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, report the theft. Remember, this is a formal phrase used primarily in legal and official contexts to describe the action of informing authorities about a theft. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you in your English language journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.